What is the use of sticky notes in Windows? We often need to search on the computer and also need to note down those things immediately. You must also take notes immediately when you are working in the office, for which you may open a file of MS Word or Notepad. But today we are going to tell you about a special feature of Windows that will be very useful for you. Use sticky notes in Windows 10. Computer user must know. Use sticky notes that every computer user must know. The feature is Sticky Notes. First, to open Sticky Notes, go to the Windows search bar and type STI. There you will see the Sticky Notes icon first. Open it. When you open it, a yellow note will appear on your computer screen. The best thing about Sticky Notes is that you don't need to save it. It stays on the computer screen. If you type any information on this sticky note and shut down the computer, you will find the sticky note exactly where you left it when you open your computer. This way you don't need to remember which drive you saved the sticky note in. It always stays on the desktop. If we copy anything from any website and paste it on the sticky note, both Hindi and English languages will be easily copied on it. We don't need to change any font. But the Hindi that you will see here will be displayed in Unicode font only. Here Kruthi Dev and Devilish fonts will not be displayed. Here you are also given the option of different colored sticky notes. Here you get many color options like pink, sky blue, white, etc. You can create multiple sticky notes at once. For that, you just have to press Ctrl N and a new sticky note will open. You can even create as many sticky notes as you need. If you want to close the sticky note, you have to press Ctrl with W. If you want to close them by checking one by one, you have to press Ctrl Shift with Tab. This will bring your sticky notes one by one. For more information, you can watch the video given above. Key features of sticky notes. Easy to use. No need to save. Stays on the computer screen even after shutdown. Supports both Hindi and English languages. Available in different colors. You can create multiple sticky notes. How to use sticky notes. Open the Windows search bar and type STI. Click on the sticky notes icon. Type your note. You can change the color of the sticky note by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. To create a new sticky note, press Ctrl N. To close a sticky note, press Ctrl W. To close sticky notes one by one, press Ctrl Shift Tab. Conclusion. Sticky Notes is a very useful feature of Windows 10. It is easy to use and can be used to take notes quickly. It also supports both Hindi and English languages. If you are a Windows 10 user, I recommend you to use Sticky Notes. Please like and subscribe.